who is the real queen of Vazozwa? For real, who is the queen of Vazozwa? I'll give you an example. Umlile Sizin, Ashley Ogle, take the crown, but she was an evictee on week 4, which tell you or the influence doesn't actually mean you have to be the winner. So Thandeka versus Liema, this is the topic of Vazozwa. Liema, who has been building a fan base over the years, idols, trying to be a beauty influencer, Siamosha, music industry, and then Vazozwa. That's like, you can understand, or that's a pride of people behind her. And then Thandeka, we just made aware of Thandeka in Vazozwa household. Now I was not aware, I will not lie. That thing of 2016 I was still in matric, and I could not care less about social media personalities. That Mr. Pulumbo, Mrs. Pulumbo, yeah, that one I rule it out. I think it's unfair for her. But let's talk about the trending topics and the influence, the impact that is happening currently. Thandeka can make you talk just because she was using a toothpaste. That amount of influence, that impact of influence. I mean, how dare you trend for toothpaste? Michelle always talked about white glow, Colgate Total, something like that, but she never trended the way Thandeka trended for a toothpaste. It's just a toothpaste after all. You could understand the impact. Liema, on the other hand, she's been trending. She's been trending for her music. But you must understand that this person does not have a social media backing. Thandeka doesn't have celebrity backing. Thandeka is on her own. She's doing it on her own, and she's holding it down. So for me, I feel like if we're being really honest, without brand deals, without anything now, just a person as they are, who they are, Thandeka is the queen of Vazozwa. Simple as that. And you can argue with me, it's okay.